It's winter, and the last thing you want is a heater failure. In this video, I'll share easy tips to extend your heater's lifespan, prevent costly repairs, and keep it running efficiently all season. Let's dive in. 1. Schedule regular maintenance. Treat your heater like a car. It needs regular checkups to perform at its best. A professional technician can catch small issues before they become big problems, ensuring smooth operation all season. Aim for a yearly inspection, ideally before the winter months. Regular maintenance reduces wear and tear, saving you money on energy bills and preventing emergency repairs. 2. Clean or replace filters. A clogged filter forces your heater to work harder, draining energy and shortening its lifespan. Make it a habit to clean or replace your filter every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. This simple step not only improves airflow, but also enhances your home's air quality. A well-maintained filter keeps your system running efficiently with less strain. 3. Inspect and seal ductwork. Did you know that leaky ducts could be wasting up to 30% of your heating energy? Sealing cracks and gaps in your ducts helps your heater distribute warm air more efficiently and reduces the strain on the system. Check your ducts regularly and seal any leaks with duct tape or special sealant to maximize efficiency and lower energy costs. 4. Keep the area around your heater clear. It's a simple but often overlooked tip. Keep your heater's vents and registers unobstructed. Furniture, curtains, and even dust can block airflow, forcing the system to work harder and shortening its lifespan. Clear the area around your heater to allow air to circulate freely, ensuring maximum heating efficiency. 5. Fix any leaks in your home. Drafts around windows, doors, or walls are an enemy to your heater. Leaks allow heat to escape, making your system work overtime. Seal these gaps with weather stripping or insulation. By preventing heat loss, your heater works less and lasts longer, while you enjoy a warmer, more energy-efficient home. 6. Maintain a consistent temperature. Constantly adjusting your thermostat puts unnecessary strain on your system. Try to keep your home at a consistent temperature between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This reduces wear and tear on the heater and helps it operate more efficiently. Small adjustments are fine, but avoid dramatic temperature changes to keep your system working optimally. 7. Install a programmable thermostat. A programmable thermostat is a game changer for both comfort and efficiency. Set it to lower the temperature while you're away or asleep, and it'll save energy without sacrificing warmth when you're home. This simple upgrade reduces the workload on your heater, prolonging its lifespan while lowering your energy bills. To sum it up, maintaining your heater is all about regular upkeep, smart usage, and minimizing strain on the system. By scheduling yearly maintenance, cleaning filters, sealing ducts, and using a programmable thermostat, you'll keep your heater running smoothly for years to come and avoid costly repairs down the line.